guys, and welcome back to the channel. I am Anaya Jade, and today I wanted to show you how I use my leftover scraps. These are some tags that I had, and I had way too many and too many scraps, so I decided to use the scraps and infuse them with the tags. So here I have some random scraps that I have ripped apart, different sizes, shapes, nothing fancy, nothing perfect. And I'm just going to align the different scraps together. These tags, I use 7 sheets of scraps for each tag. And I'm just going to show you guys how to do them. And I'm going to repeat this process once again with the second tag. And I'm just using random stuff that I have at the house. And I will be back after I'm done making these tags. Hope you all enjoy. These tags remind me kind of doing the boho beads, the random scraps, the random paper, fabric, wire beads. And, so yeah, these were really fun to make, and probably want to make a lot more. These tags and other embellishments that I've been creating are going into new journals that I will be releasing in December, maybe the first or second week in December. They are mixed media covered journals, still keeping the vintage themed. So I'm super excited about how these covers turned out, and I'm not going to give any secrets away, but you will see a quite tiny sneak peek of one of the journals, because I'm going to show you guys something else that I've been working on later on in the video. And these are the mini tags that I have. A dear friend in Hong Kong sent them to me. We were ATC, an ATC group where we trade ATC cards, and she sent me a lovely box full of different types of embellishments and things of that sort. So here I'm going to show you guys some of the embellishments that I have been working on using scraps. These are some tags that I decided to create using different types of collaging, ephemera, scrap paper, washi tape, just random things I'm trying to get rid of, and I just decided to stick them on some tags and see what happens. I also made it inchies. I should have put that in there, but if you guys are interested in seeing the inchies that I made, first time making them, I only made a couple, a little bit more than a couple. But if you guys are interested in and want to see the inchies that I created, just let me know by leaving that in the comment section, and I will do a quick video of the inchies that I made, which I am also planning on using those in ephemera as well. These are some paper collage borders that I made. This is not my idea. I got this neat idea from Nazi on Amity Bloom on YouTube, and just decided to see if I could do them as well, and I really enjoy doing it. I have done something sort of like this using fabrics, and those are really nice. You get different textures, different styles and colors. So yeah, you can use paper, you can use fabrics. That was a little sneak peek of one of the journals, mixed media journal covers that I will be releasing in my set in December. Those are some paperclip tags that you saw. And now I'm just going to pull out some more little pieces of ephemera that I've made for the journals that I am creating. And after I show you these, I'm going to make one for you guys so you can see how I created them. And I'm going to leave the video to that, and I hope you guys enjoy watching the rest of the video. If you did, please leave me a like, and thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next one.